Hi! Welcome to our Wiggle and Stretch channel. Let's move, play, and learn together.
Hello, little yogis. Welcome back to Pose a Prompt Holidays. Today is a very special day. It's Father's Day. We're going to celebrate all the dads and father figures with a story about strength, play, and love. Before we start our holiday adventure, remember to like and subscribe so you never miss our new yoga fun. Ready to feel strong? Let's go! Our journey begins as the Father's Day morning starts with the bright morning sun, waking us up for a big day of fun. Jump your feet wide apart and reach your arms out to the sides and way up high, making your body as big as possible. Imagine you are a giant glowing star, shining light on Dad's breakfast tray. Reach your fingers to the very corners of the room as you open your body gently like a star opening wide to greet the day. You are big, you are bright, and you are full of energy. Keep stretching those arms and feel your light growing. Hold your position, we are almost there. You're shining so bright for everyone to see. Keep breathing and keep reaching. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, what a beautiful sun. After the sun rises, we see that dads are like a steady mountain. They are strong and they are always there for us. Stand with your feet together and your arms by your sides, standing up as tall as you can. Imagine your feet have roots growing deep into the earth, keeping you firm. Make your spine long from your feet all the way up to the top of your head. Even if a big space wind or a storm blows, you stay still and powerful. You are unshakable and brave. Stand tall like a skyscraper and feel your strength. Hold your position, we are almost there. Stay as still as a stone. You are doing a great job being a mighty mountain. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, you are truly powerful. Sometimes Dad is the helpful hammer, fixing things around the house to keep everything working perfectly. Step your feet wide, turn one foot out, and bend that knee while stretching your arms out flat like a long straight line. Reach your front arm forward like you're holding a heavy tool. Stay strong and steady as you lift your chest. Imagine you are building a birdhouse or fixing a leaky sink for your family. You are focused, careful, and helpful, just like a hero. Keep those arms strong and level. Don't let them drop. You are a master builder. Almost there. Hold it right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, great job, builder. It's time for a Father's Day barbecue in the backyard. You are the sizzling grill heating up for the party. Stand with your feet together, bend your knees, and sit back like you're sitting in an invisible magical chair. Reach your arms forward to balance. Imagine you are sitting back to flip some yummy burgers for the whole family. Your legs are getting strong and sturdy like the metal of the grill. Notice the gentle stretch opening your body as you sink lower into your seat. Stay balanced even if you feel a little unsteady or your legs start to tingle. You can do it. Sit a little lower and feel the fire. Almost there. Keep holding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's some powerful cooking. Let's take Dad out on the lake for some peace and quiet in a fishing boat. Sit on your bottom, lift your legs into the air, and reach your arms forward to balance on your seat. Imagine the blue waves are rocking you gently back and forth. Find your balance, and if you shake a little, that is totally okay. You are rowing across the water looking for the biggest, sparkliest fish in the sea. Keep your chest lifted high and your heart open to the sky. Balance, balance. Don't tip over into the pretend water. You are a brave sailor navigating the lake. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, what a great sailor you are. Dad provides shade and support for us to grow, just like a tall oak tree. Stand on one leg and place the other foot on your ankle or shin, touching your palms together at your heart. Imagine your branches reaching up toward the clouds. Press your hands together to feel balanced and focused in your mind. Turn the lifted knee slightly outward to open your hip and find your roots. You are growing taller and taller every single day. Focus on one spot in front of you to stay still. Almost there. Keep your balance as the wind blows through your leaves. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, such a sturdy and beautiful tree. Remember when Dad gives you a ride on his shoulders and you become an aeroplane? You're flying high over the trees and houses. Stand on one leg, lean your chest forward, and lift your back leg straight behind you while stretching your arms out like wings. Imagine the wind rushing past your ears as you zoom through the air. Keep your neck soft and relaxed as you fly toward the horizon. You are soaring through the fluffy clouds, feeling free and fast. Fly steady and keep that back leg up high. You are the captain of this flight. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, a perfectly smooth landing. Dad is a sturdy bridge that helps us get to where we need to go safely. Lie on your back with your knees bent and lift your hips high up to the sky. Press your feet into the floor and lift your tummy up as high as a mountain. Imagine tiny cars or little kittens walking across your strong arched bridge. You are supportive, kind, and very reliable. Feel the power in your legs holding you up against the ground. Lift those hips even higher. You are building a bridge of love. Hold your position, we are almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, what a strong bridge you've built. We're getting dressed up for a fancy Father's Day dinner. We have to put on a sharp tie to look our best. Sit cross legs, turn your body to one side, and look way over your shoulder. Imagine you are wrapping a colorful silk tie around your neck and pulling it straight. Twist gently to make sure the knot is just right for the party. Keep your spine long and your shoulders down away from your ears. You look so fancy and grown up. Twist a little more and look behind you to see the mirror. Almost there. Stay tall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, you look so stylish. Let's go bowling with Dad for some afternoon competition. You are the rolling bowling ball zooming down the lane. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, and fold your body forward until your forehead touches the mat. Curl up tight and small like a round ball. Imagine you are rolling fast to get a strike and knock down all the pins. Sit back on your heels with your knees close together and gently bring your forehead toward your legs. It's time for a little quiet rest before the next big game. Stay small and round and breathe softly. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, a perfect strike for the team. After a long day of adventure, it's time for Dad to sit in his comfy bench chair. Lie on your back, grab your feet with your hands, and rock side to side like a happy bug in the grass. Imagine you are the most comfortable plush chair in the whole world. Allow your body to feel quiet, heavy, and totally relaxed. This is the perfect spot for a Father's Day nap. Rock away all your tired feelings and just enjoy the wiggle. Rockabye. You are so cozy and warm. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that looks so relaxing and happy. Finally, we remember the most important part of Father's Day, the kind heart. Sit cross legs, place both hands over your heart, and gently close your eyes. Deep inside, we have so much love for our dads and everyone who cares for us. Imagine a warm golden light glowing inside your chest. Every time you breathe in, that light gets bigger and warmer. You are a master of kindness and love. Breathe in the love and breathe out a big smile for the world. Just feel the peace inside. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, you are so incredibly loved. Wonderful job today, little yogis. You are strong as mountains and bright as stars for Father's Day. Slowly wiggle your fingers and open your eyes to the room. Take one more deep breath in and let it out with a big thank you. Feel calm, grounded, and centered after our practice. Remember to give your dad or father figure a big giant hug today. Thanks for joining Pose a Prompt Holidays. Namaste.
Time for an adventure, yes it's true. With holiday yoga just for you. We'll stretch and move and strike a pose. A fun new story for where the holiday goes.